Today in Nagoya, the third largest city in Japan, and it's one of the industrial city in Japan. Actually, close to Nagoya, there is the city Toyota, which is the center of the Toyota automotive industry. And around Nagoya city, there is a lot of industrial like companies around this area. So I'm going to visit this expo. It's about robots, also about like smart factories and automotive industry. Because of course of the corona pandemic, everyone have to ensure the social distance and wearing of the mask inside the expedition. Let's go and see. There have been a number of companies that have worked a lot in increasing the accuracy of the robot arm positioning. So we can see that the end effector could be precisely at one location, and you can move the whole arm by just keeping the robot at the end effector. So we can see that the accuracy of the positioning has increased a lot in recent years, and many companies now are working on developing new program, new system to enter the robot into many applications. That's why we have seen the increased efficiency of robot arm in many applications, even with the addition of certain technologies, such as using the camera, like vision system. You can increase the performance of the robot. As I've seen many companies are doing this kind of new systems. Also, in addition to the accuracy, there are also some work in the grasping motion. Grasping motion, like this company is increasing the grasping the robot arm to reduce the leakage of the air. Yeah, these Taiwanese companies have developed a system, or a full robot system that can be used for logistic, for pickup and placing. So the difference between this company and other companies is that they are selling the whole system together. So robot arm with a vision system to know the package location, the grasping gripper, and also like the user interface. So it's very easy to use. It doesn't require that much of programming, just like a flow chart. So a company can buy the whole unit together. There are also like a number of development in the logistic service. Many companies now are developing logistic robot for many applications. So this company actually developed a very simple logistic system. So this logistic robot is very easy to program, and they are trying to reduce the cost, so it could be they market it in the in many markets. Also, like many other companies are trying to develop like this mobile robot system, not just for warehouses, but also like it could be used inside like hotels, restaurants, offices. So it's very simple to use, like it's very simple to recharge. It's one of the famous Chinese companies that have been seeing a lot of development, and now they are marketing in so many areas, so many countries. they have developed this kind of robots. They could be used in hotels and actually restaurants. So it shows that it's a very precise movement, very accurate in its navigation, and it can easily stop if there is an obstacle or a person. So when I stop in front of the robot exactly stop instantly, and it does not move until like I move out of its way. Since there are so many companies that are trying to develop this kind of logistic robot for restaurant and hotels, but some they are focusing on the technology, but one company is focusing on the design, so they want to make a nice design of this robot. Also, in addition to robot technology, there are also like new support system for workers and people. Like this company is actually developing this kind of support suits for workers, so they can lift a very heavy weight. Also, this company they develop like lower leg support system, so it's actually developed for a surgeon, so because they have to stay in a surgical operation for many hours. So this device could help them to stand for longer hours. Say just pure mechanical, you just have to lock your knees and you can easily stand comfortably without feeling the load of your weight.
Okay.
Yeah, we have finished to visit the expo. So it doesn't seem to be very big, not like the ones in Tokyo. Maybe it is because of the coronavirus. The participation is not that large because actually I have seen in the website that they introduce a visual visit, so you can just visit the expo through the internet instead of just live visit. And I didn't see that much of development, only just for the high accuracy of motors and robots. That's what I have noticed in this expo. And there is some also development in the logistic service. So I think that's the latest development in the robot field I have seen here in this expo. If you want to take a look at the RobotDEX in the Tokyo, so maybe you can just click on the video over here. So until I see you again, thank you for watching.